Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get and use the Photoshop Generative Fill AI beta. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So what we're going to do is to first go to adobe.com, and right here what we're going to do is to start our free trial, or you could also choose a plan if you would want to skip the free trial. If you do have an account, simply sign in using your Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID. Now, here, what we're going to do next is to simply download our creative design in Adobe. And once you've downloaded it already, go to your beta apps section. So here, as you can see, you have our Photoshop beta already installed. If you do not have that yet, you just need to look here in the desktop apps and make sure that you download or install your Photoshop beta. Now, as you can see, we are already in the latest version. Make sure that you have the latest version to also have the generative fill. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.